Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. We got a quick unboxing today. I didn't want to change my setup. I'm teaching from home, but if you want to learn about dot products and vectors and whether or not they're orthogonal, we can do that too. Maybe we'll save that for another time. But anyway, I've got a box from the Iowa Beard Company. Justin sent this out to me, and Iowa Beard Company is one of my favorite companies for fill-in beard, and it's the one that I do have the collaboration with, the Sophisticated Cedar. I don't get anything from that, by the way. No affiliates, no percentages, none of that stuff. We ended up doing a collaboration together. It was my first one, his first one. I think it's worked pretty well. Actually, I think Matt from No BS is getting this, so you may be looking for a review of that Sophisticated Cedar from him. I think maybe coming up soon. But I wanted to do an unboxing here because first of all, he's got new shipping boxes. So some of the best products, some of the best packaging, definitely top tier packaging. And now he's got a box that I know he was really proud of. So Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, IowaBeardCompany.com, finest quality, Iowa Beard Company, Des Moines, Iowa, small batch, handmade. And then we've got it there again too. So great presentation there. He did ask me for my shirt size, so let's see what we've got here. Iowa's finest. Nice. So I'm gonna be in North Carolina talking all about Iowa Beard Company. All right, so thank you for that, Justin. And then we've got some soap. I think that's soap, American Gentleman. So branching out, so it's got beard oil and balms and butters, and then it's got some other stuff too. So it's got soaps, and American Gentleman is one of my favorite scents. It's actually the scent that I really like. To me, it's a clean barbershop scent without it being a lot of talcum powder, because I don't like that particular scent. So this is a very good one. Oh, that's neat. Look at the color on that. And it's not overly strong, so it just comes in with a nice, clean, manly scent there with the American Gentleman with the soap. So looking forward to trying that out. And I have no idea what's in this box, but I do know the box looks great. I don't have any kind of codes or anything like that. I did see, I think he was having a 20% off sale, so make sure you check them out. It has sales occasionally, but just awesome presentation. Nice, clean presentation on that. Looks like we got an oil, and I have never tried wash or conditioner either. So that's what I've got here. Let me take just a second to open them up so I can show you the packaging, okay? But really nice. It's got the thank you on it. So very cool. Let me open these up. I'll show them to you. All right, so I got an American Gentleman Beard Oil, one of my favorites. I needed to restock on that. And then, I don't know if you guys are like me, I'm looking more and more into beard washes and co-washes with the COVID going around. So I really like the fact that, first of all, they look great with the labels. One of the best in the game, just clean, minimalistic, but also kind of old-timey in a way, like an old-timey barbershop. I do like the fact that they are in two different color bottles, so you can tell them apart, especially when I don't have my glasses on in the shower. So they're both 8 ounces. This is the beard wash and the co-wash. I'll take a quick sniff if I can. Let's see if I smell anything. I don't really smell a whole lot going on with that one. Or this one. So I'm not sure if it's unscented, but it's definitely not overly strong. But I'll be trying these out and probably making a follow-up video, especially about the beard wash and co-wash. All right. So thank you, Justin, for sending me out more products to try. I always appreciate our friendship there, and I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next video.